Today, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for the Webull trading app. We're going to be going over step by step in real time throughout the sign up process. That way you can follow along to see what information is needed and, more importantly, how to receive 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. If you're curious how much the free stocks are worth, check out my other video of me opening 287 free stocks and seeing which ones I received. Some of the stocks may surprise you. If you're not signing up to receive the free stocks, you're basically just wasting money. But let's jump right into this tutorial. The first step is going to be to click on the link in the description of the video or the first pinned comment down below. You can sign up either through your phone or on your computer. You're going to want to enter in your mobile number and create a password. The number that you enter will be used to sign into your account. Then if you haven't already, make sure to download the Webull app from the App Store. After the app is done downloading, open it up, sign in, and click Open Account. Next, you're going to have to enter in some personal information. The first page is going to be to provide a picture of your identification card. So whether that's your driver's license, passport, state ID, or other, you will need to take a picture of it. After that, you'll provide more information such as your name, gender, date of birth, social security number, citizenship, and address. And I just want to mention that all trusted brokerages and investing apps require this personal data, so don't be alarmed. Next up, you're going to do is the employment status, and it doesn't really matter what you select here, whether that's unemployed, employed, or a student. Then you're going to put in your investment and financial information. So it's going to ask you some general questions such as how much investing experience do you have, overall investing objective, risk tolerance, net income, and net worth. For these answers, it doesn't really matter what you select. It will still allow you to open an account regardless of the answers you pick here. The last information that's needed is going to be for affiliations. So this actually matters what you select here. The next page is asking if you have a family member or own 10% or more of a public company, a senior political figure, or a member of a brokerage. And I would say for the most part, it's going to be no for the majority of the people signing up for a Webull account on this page. But if you're unsure, I would recommend that you ask a parent these questions. The next page is saying that you put in the correct personal information and you have to agree to the terms. The last step to create your Webull account and receive your free stocks is to sign your name and submit your application. After you submit, you should see the screen right here saying that it will take anywhere from 1 to 2 days for the approval. For me, it took less than 1 day to get approved. As of today, you can receive up to 6 free stocks, with 2 of the free stocks just for opening an account, so what we just walked through. And those 2 free stocks are valued all the way up to $600. But if you want 4 free additional stocks valued all the way up to $12,000, all you have to do is deposit any kind of amount of money. So you can even deposit as little as $1 and receive 4 free stocks. Another pro tip is no matter what amount you deposit, once you receive your free stocks, you can always just withdraw that money. Which leads us to our next step with making a deposit into your account. It's super easy to deposit the money into your Webull account. Webull uses a trusted third-party platform called Plaid in order to help deposit the funds. I personally use Plaid with a handful of other apps and it's super trusted and safe. So all in all, it is super simple to sign up for Webull and only takes a few minutes to do so. As far as the free stocks, I actually received over $150 worth of free stocks just for creating an account and depositing $1. If you want to see what free stocks I received out of the 287, feel free to check out my other video. The promo codes are always changing, but I promise to always provide the best promo code to you. So I'll constantly be updating the link in the description and also the pinned comment. So if I find a better code, that way you can always ensure that you're receiving the most amount of free stocks and free money. So as of today, you can receive up to 6 free stocks, but in the future, that could be more or less depending on what promotion Webull is currently running. But regardless, I would recommend opening an account because once you have an account open with Webull, they usually do random promotions that you can earn even more free stocks. Like for me personally, I have actually received over 220 additional free stocks with other promotions once my account was opened. Well, that's it for how to open an account with Webull and receive 6 free stocks valued all the way up to $12,600. Tell me down below in the comments what free stocks you received and how much were they worth. If this video brought you any value, please make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out my other videos all about different side hustles that I tried and learn more about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.